we got the crow up there. He's already swooped in and tried to steal the dog's food. The dog kind of chased him away. So I was feeding the crow out of one side, one window, and the dog out of the other. That was pretty cool. Where'd the crow go? Where's that dog? Here you go, doggy. The crow took off, eh? I'll throw one out the other window just see if he's still around. Where'd the crow go? Oh, there he is. See him up there? Where is he? He's not showing up on the video, but he's up there. Where is that guy? Huh. Oh, there he is. There he is. That's the guy. All right, he came down and got, the dog chasing him. They're fighting over the food now. All right, let's see if I can get the dog over this way. Go get it. Oh, the crow's going in. I'm not trying to make these animals fight, I swear to God. It's just funny that they are. There's the crow. There's the doggy. Go get it, doggy. Hey, Crow Crow. Hello. There he goes. Oh, you got it. The dog is pissed. There's enough for both of you guys. Dog just walked right past. They're still fighting over the food. All right. Well, I want the crow to be on one side and the dog on the other. That was working for me before. How do I change this ratio? It's too zoomed in. There's one right there, dude. I'm missing the one right there. Killing me, Smalls. Where's that bird? I can't find him on my... There he is. All right, buddy. Let's see if we can do this quickly. One for you. And one for you. Get it, quick. The dog chases him away. Oh my God. I think the crow's too smart for him. All right, here you go, Mama. Go get it. Go get it, crow. You got it. And there goes the dog. That dog is pissed. Wow, this is crazy. Oh boy. Come here, Mama.